What is it?
Yes.
What is it? It's a box?
Yes.
You got a box? Next one. Abby, open the box. Should we open the box?
Daddy, open.
Abby.
What's that?
Yes. Whoa. Open this one, Daddy. Open this one. Whoa, Mommy.
Who was that from?
Yes.
I don't know yet. Hold on. We gotta open your card. What's the card say? Oh. From Grandma and Grandpa to the sweetest little princess in the land.
Aww. Who's on that present?
Who's on the present? Is that Ernie and Elmo?
What's this one?
Alright, this one's hard to open because it's tape.
That's it, Daddy. What's that?
Who's that from?
Emmy.
I know, she spells Abby wrong. Whoa! What you got?
Yes.
What kind of clothes did you get?
This one, this one.
Pick one up and show me. What is that?
This one, this
What
one.
is it?
Pajamas?
Yes.
Show Abby. Hold it up for her.
Is pajamas.
Yeah, I know. Hold it up so
It's
she-
pajamas!
I made that. Take it
You want to wear that?
Take it off.
Whoa!
Take it off.
I want to see that fancy dress.
Uh-oh.
Which one?
This is on.
Or Elmo? Elmo shirt or dress?
That's me, Daddy.
I knew it. Get that button on the top.
My desk, Daddy. My desk. Naked. My naked, Daddy. I'm wearing naked. Open
Sure.
this one, Daddy.
Sure.
Daddy.
Yeah, you probably have to undo the sash. Look at your hair. It's okay. Be patient. Oops, sash.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, you definitely have to untie the sash.
Really?
It's on the wrong side now. That's supposed to be in the back.
I don't know.
Untie the sash, I'm telling you.
Do this.
There you go. There you go.
Here.
Arms. Whoa. Whoa. Look how pretty.
Should we tie it?
Yes.
Just do a quick knot so she can spin. Okay, spin.
Should we clean up the toys?
Yes.
Here, go over there and spin.
Do you like your dress?
And ball.
Do you like it?
Ball.
The bow?
Daddy, ball, Daddy.
You say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.